ஆழ்வார் எம்பெருமானார் ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம். ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம்.
There is this question. In temples, we see cows, horses and elephants in service of bhagavAn and we worship them too. Are these animals higher than we humans? Very interesting question. See, if we are in the mood of Alvas or Acharyas, then we will see anything related to Dividesham, not just animals, not just within the temple, but anything in the Dividesham, whether it is plants, trees, animals, insects, humans, anyone, anything, they are all seen with admiration. Because we see in Alva's Pasarams, especially if you see Tirumangi Alva's Pasarams, he is often glorifying many aspects of Divideshams, the natural beauty of the Divideshams, the natural setup, the animals there, the birds there. He is always glorifying the entities related to Divideshams. That is because the underlying principle, thought process in this is Nityasuris will descend to Bhagavan descend to these Divideshams and will try to serve Bhagavan in Divideshams. They will come here and they will enjoy Bhagavan as well as they serve Bhagavan. So when they come, we will not know in which forms they are present. So that is why it is said that one should never harm anything or anyone in Divideshams, because we don't know whether it is a Nityasuri who has taken particular form or shape. So that is the general concept. Regarding animals directly in service of Bhagavan, cows, elephants, horses and so on, certainly those Atmas who are present in those cow body, horse body or elephant body, they have got some special mercy of Bhagavan to be directly serving him, to be directly engaged in some service in Divideshams. But still, we don't go and really worship them in that sense. We admire them, we may even glorify them. Let's say in many Divideshams there are temple elephants which have been serving for a long time, which have great devotion. So those elephants are greatly celebrated, honored. But actual worship is something we don't do. We have to be very careful about this concept that we don't worship anyone and everyone. We worship Alvars, Acharyas, Bhagavan, Sri Mahalakshmi Tayar and so on. So that is our object of worship. But we may admire many entities in Divideshams and glorify those entities, because having the connection to Dividesham itself is a great fortune, and that is because of Bhagavan's mercy only. So that is the concept here.
ஆழ்வார் எம்பெருமானார் ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம். ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம்.
To learn such valuable information about our SrIvaishNava Sampradaya, please download KOYIL, KOYIL app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Our website is koyil.org, KOYIL.org.